don't want to hear my interview?
No.
My sister's sitting over there too. My name's Kyle Russell. I have been with Curbio almost 5 years now. I started as a consultant here at Curbio, so I am the one who will speak to the realtors and speak to all the homeowners. You know, let's have a conversation. What are you gonna do next? It's our job to find what that something else is so they can have all the information they need to make a decision. Step one, agent reaches out to us and we just kind of have a conversation about the house, find out ballpark what needs to be done, then we bring in the client. I love to have homeowners just kind of ask me as many questions as they want because this only makes sense if they're comfortable anyway. And I think that might be the part about my job I like the most too, is I really do just get to talk to people. We do the 3D tour of the house, we determine the scope of work necessary. That process usually takes less than a week. And then we build out a proposal based on what everyone's needs are. And then it's kind of on autopilot after that once everyone agrees. Sometimes it's just as simple as a house that maybe had a tenant where there was just full of stuff, the walls were damaged, so we didn't really change anything. We just restored a house that had good bones. And that usually brings the most value because people go into that panicking like, what are we gonna do? And at the end of the day, all we really had to do was clean, paint, fix, trim, and the homeowner gets to walk away and not feel bad about their investment. I don't consider what I do to be like a full sales position. I think people only are gonna do things that help them and that they need to do. And if I can keep people on track, it's usually a pretty fruitful conversation.